Morning class 4th. Today we are going to read second part of chapter 3, that is we can sense, which is on page number 11. In the previous class we had studied till eyes. Today we will start reading with ears. If you have not yet taken the pencil, go quickly and get the pencil, because you will have to underline some hard words in it. Now look at the heading ears. I am going to start read. Ears help us to hear all kinds of sounds like loud, soft, sharp, dull, pleasant and unpleasant. Underline the word pleasant, that is P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T, which means charming or likable. Our ears also help us to recognize danger like the barking of a dog and blowing of a horn. So, ears can recognize every types of sound. Our ears tell us about any danger, such as the barking of a dog or the loud sound of a vehicle. The ears hear the sounds and send a message to the brain. The brain tells us to be careful and move away. So, our ears first inform our mind of any identified danger, and after it, our mind or brain tells us to be careful and also to get away from the danger place. We need 2 ears to be able to locate the source of a sound. Underline the word locate, that is L-O-C-A-T-E, which means establish. This helps us to hear clearly. So, we need 2 ears to identify all the sources of sound, which helps us to hear clearly. Now look at the green box which has a heading Grandma asked. Let's see that what does Grandma asking to us. Some people use matchsticks to clean their ears. Is it a good habit? Discuss. So the answer is no. It is not a good habit. This can be harmful. We should never use pointed objects like hairpin, pen, pencil or matchstick to clean or sketch our ears. Now come on the page number 12. You can see a pink box which is on the top of this page named as Fact Aunt. So Fact Aunt tells us the fact that the ears also help to maintain the balance of the body while doing activities like walking, running and climbing. Means that our ears keeps our body straight and prevents us from falling when we are running, walking or climbing. Now come to the next sense organ, which is nose. So let's start reading about the nose. Our nose helps us to smell. It has 2 openings called the nostrils, which help us to breathe. Underline the word nostrils, that is N-O-S-T-R-I-L-S, which means holes of nose. So, there are 2 holes in the front of our nose, which we call nostril, and which help us to breathe. Our nose can detect a variety of odors of smell. Underline the word detect, which means to identify anything. When we smell a rose, the smell enters our nostrils. The nose sends a message to our brain telling it that this is the smell of rose. Our brain tells us that it is a good smell, means whenever we smell a rose, our nose tells our brain that this fragrance is of rose, and our brain tells us that this fragrance is good. Now today's homework. You have to do this homework in your notebook or copy. Give answer of the following questions. Number 1, name 2 things that smell good. So you have to write 2 names which smell good in answer number 1. Question number 2, name 2 things that smell bad. So you have to write 2 names which can smell bad according to you, and you have to write it in answer number 2. So that's all for today. Thank you, class.